Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Yield Pro, where we dive into real opportunities in the crypto space to help you make smarter moves. Today, we're zeroing in on the Graph, or GRT, a project that's quietly building momentum in blockchain data indexing. With its token hovering around 10 cents, could we be on the cusp of a major breakout? We've got fresh Q2 2025 numbers showing usage skyrocketing to 6.5 billion queries, up 5.8% from last quarter. That's an all-time high. Plus, exciting updates on tools like Substreams handling faster chains and Solana integrations. Stick around as we break down the latest news, metrics, risks, and my 3-day chart game plan with clear buy zones and targets. If you're new to crypto, the Graph makes it easier for apps to pull data from blockchains, like a search engine for decentralized info. Let's see why this could be your next play. Shifting gears to the numbers, Messari's recent report highlights the Graph's strong growth. In Q2 2025, queries jumped to 6.5 billion, a 5.8% increase quarter over quarter, hitting a new peak. New subgraphs, think of them as customizable data feeds, surged 46% to over 1,600, and subgraph revenue climbed 6.4% to $128,000. This ties into the income statement, where Q2 fees hit $187,000, up from $55,000 in Q1. Earnings matched revenue across quarters, showing solid operations. For context, fees has grown from $21,000 in Q4 2023 to $163,000 in Q3 2025 so far, though it's incomplete. These figures point to rising demand for reliable data in a busier crypto world. Speaking of demand, the Graph is addressing real pain points in blockchain data. Chains like BNB are speeding up, having block times, and pushing more data online. This pressures infrastructure, but Substreams steps up. It's a tool for streaming data in real time with low latency, using parallel processing and modular design. It's at least 4x more cost-effective, with uncapped throughput, and you can sync data anywhere. Built for high-volume workloads, it scales where others stall. A related update, Substreams now supports Solana account changes, fixing issues from frequent reorgs. Those are like temporary chain rewinds that can break data flows. It's fork-aware by default, tracks 90 days of historical data, and follows ownership even after deletions. No more blind spots for developers. On the community side, the Graph relaunched Builders Basecamp, an interactive guide for Web 2 devs entering Web 3. It offers bite-sized missions, core concepts, and space-themed NFT rewards to level up skills. Governance is evolving too, with Arnaud Schenk joining the Graph Council. As executive director at Aztec Foundation, he brings product, engineering, and leadership experience from Web3 and tech. The council, made of pioneers, aligns long-term vision with execution, boosting protocol upgrades and ecosystem growth. DeFi Llama data reinforces this positivity. GRT total value locked sits at $217 million, with 21.6% staked. Annualized fees are $1.6 million, revenue $16,000. Note, revenue here combines protocol tax from burned fees. Market cap is at $1 billion. TVL has dipped slightly, but holds steady around $200 to $300 million lately. For those building on the Graph, billing for Substreams and Firehose simplified to byte count based. Free tier, 7 million blocks processed. Scaling, $100 per month for 155 million blocks. Pro, $500 per month for 400 million. Enterprise is custom. Solana account changes are included in higher tiers. This makes it predictable and developer-friendly. Now the part you love, technical analysis on the 3-day GRT USD chart. I've anchored Fibonacci from the December 2024 high to April lows. My take profits align at 17 cents, 24, 35, 52, and 80 cents for partial sells. SuperTrend flipped green, bullish, since May, signaling upward momentum. We broke out of a descending channel for the second time, basically a bull flag pattern, now consolidating near 10 cents. Price battles the 10 and 21 EMAs, blue lines, like moving averages smoothing trends, after July rejection at the 55 EMA purple. The green rectangle from 8 to 10 cents was my DCA by zone, as seen in the last video. Price hit it perfectly. Still a very decent entry, but watch if it retests support for cheaper buys. Fibonacci RSI indicator is neutral but dipping bearish. A bounce here post-Powell's rate cut hints at his speech could help. VRVP shows point of control at 9 cents as support. If we close below SuperTrend support, things could go south. And that's your stop loss if you are trading short-term. I'm holding long-term. Do yourself a favor and trail stops as we hit profit targets, please. Wrapping up, the graph's innovations and growth make it a standout in data infrastructure. Fundamentals are strengthening, and the chart setup shows huge potential. As an investor, I'm positioned and optimistic. If this helped, punch the like button, comment your targets for GRT, and subscribe for more daily yields. Check my previous GRT videos linked on your screen. Never financial advice. Stay sharp out there. See you tomorrow.